Hi Ray, thanks for looking at the um, Media Replace plugin. I've just done some testing, and this image here is now not showing up because of the Media Replace plugin not being able to do it. It did work when, where are we? So if I just go to the media library, okay, so there it is there. What I did, I'll just select another image. Doesn't really matter which one. I'll show you what I did. So I uploaded a new file, and I chose the new file, and I just replaced the file. So the file name of the file I was loading in was the same as the old file on the database, and I just replaced the file, and that worked. The image updated. I could see the new watermark on it, so everything was great. I then changed the file name and uploaded the same image again here, but with a different file name, and used replace the file, use the new file name, and update all links. And when I used that option, it broke. The image is now like this. So the Media Replace plugin is working to just replace out the file with the same file name, but if there's a new file name, it runs into this problem. So I'm not sure from your reply if that's what you mean, but I have a lot of old images on the server that I'd like to go through and update. So if we can, it would be good to be able to have the full functionality of this plugin for all of the files that are loaded on the server. Maybe it's not possible. You were speaking about a bug. So yeah, if you could let me know, that'd be great. All right, Ray. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.